Welcome to today's tutorial. To make your own holiday treat, you need pretzel rods, green candy melts, mini M&Ms, sprinkles, wax paper, and a syringe. Lay a piece of wax paper on a cookie sheet and add your pretzel rods on top. Melt the candy in a microwave-safe bowl. I fill the syringe and use it to create the tree shape. Sprinkle your choice of toppings on the tree to create the look of ornaments. Place in the freezer and allow the candy to harden. Remove from the cookie sheet and share with your family. These treats are sure to go fast. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.